Also, guys, I'm here to dish out, my opinion and TA and news on what I think, But I mean, you guys already know I'm fully transparent, and I will completely 100% admit when I'm wrong. I did not. I mean, according to TA, it was, um, at least the one that I did, right? It did look like we were gonna go back down and retest certain levels, but no. NIO has like super crazy awesome strength, and completely broke the $50 range. I didn't think we were gonna break this until Monday actually. I didn't think the $50 range was gonna get broken until I think Monday morning. And I didn't think we were gonna break it today, Friday. But to all of you guys holding NIO, congratulations on your positions. Currently, I'm not holding NIO. I have one share of NIO. Back when I bought like a whole bunch, but I actually sold them. Um, but yeah, for those of you that kept holding NIO, congratulations. I'm sure you guys are like swimming in fucking money right now in profits. So good job, and hopefully NIO keeps going up. It's basically as of now, I do think NIO is just gonna keep going up until earnings, and then earnings has to basically kill it, or NIO is gonna dive back down a little bit. But overall, I'm still bullish on this stock over the next 4 years.